Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to turn on notifications for Bumble. Now let's begin. Right here, as you can see, I have already installed Bumble. In case you have not, to install it and log in right now. I'm simply gonna open up Bumble right now. And guys, here you go. This is Bumble. Now what we want to do is simply enable notifications. Let's simply go to our profile, the buttons on the bottom left. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then this will open up. Right here, this is my profile. From here, I can go to my profile settings or the overall settings. Right here at the top right, here is a gear-like icon. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Well, as you can see, there are lots of settings like choose mode, date mode, snooze and everything. Let's simply scroll down. And right here, you can see something like notification settings. I'm gonna click on it right now. And guys, this is the notification settings. Let's try to enable notifications. Right here is the message notifications. I'm gonna click on this tab right here. And as you can see, the notifications had been disabled. I'm simply gonna toggle on this button right here. And guys, there you go. That's how you enable notifications for Bumble. Let's check for others as well. Well, in others, the notifications are also disabled. I'm gonna enable them for every one of them. Likewise, enable notifications for anyone among these tabs if they are disabled. And guys, that's it. That's how we enable notifications on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.